Hi friends, welcome to our channel Nachgo Seek. Today, today we are discussing about the compiler process. First of all, what is compilation? Compilation is a process of converting the source code into object code. It is done with the help of compiler. Here is our hello world program. It is a source code which is converted to object code or mission code with the help of compiler. What is meant by object code? It is a code which is understandable by the mission to execute it. Here we know the steps of compilation. First of all, source code is given to the preprocessor. The preprocessor gives the output of expanded code. The expanded code gives to the compiler. This gives the output of assembly code, and the assembly code gives the input to the assembler, which is convert the assembler code to object code, which is given to the linker, which is used to link the other object files and libraries and gives the executable code. Let us demonstrate all the four steps in detail. First of all, what is preprocessor? Preprocessor means, for example, hash include, hash depend are the examples of a preprocessor. Why we use a preprocessor? Preprocessor takes the source code as input and removes all the comments from the source code. The preprocessor takes the preprocessor directive and interprets it. For example, if stdio.h is a directive is available in the hello program, then the preprocessor interprets the directive and replaces this directive with the content of stdio.h. For example, in C hello world program we use a printf function, which is a inbuilt function of stdio.h, which is used to print the format in our console. Here is the preprocessor expand the code and pass to the compiler. What is compiler? The code which is expanded by the preprocessor is passed to the compiler. The compiler converts this code to assembly code. Or we can say that C compiler converts the preprocessor code into assembly code. Coming to assembler, what is assembler? The assembly code is converted into object code by using an assembler. The name object file generated by the assembler is same as the source file, which is hello.obj. Coming to linker, mainly all the programs written in C library functions. These library functions are the pre-compiled and object code of the library files is stored with .lib or .a extension. The main working of the linker is to combine the object code of library files with the object code of our program, and then linker gives the executable code. Here is our hello world program, which is written in Sublime compiler. This save in hello.c. This is our C program, which is saved as hello.c, which is given to the preprocessor, and then gives to the preprocessor gives expanded source codes. Hello, and the expanded source code is saved as hello.i, which is given to the compiler. The compiler gives the output as assembly code, which is as hello.s. The assembler code gives the output to assembler and then converted to object code, which is hello.obj, and then object code is given to the linker. The linker gives output executable code, which is executed in our system and gives the output. And the loader, and then loader gives the output. What is the output is all over. What the output. Thank you friends for seeing my video. For more videos subscribe my channel.